One of the things we hear all the time from customers is that the front wash does not reach far enough forward. This is something that you're going to run into possibly with a bidet seat regardless of the bidet seat that you purchase. So often when customers come to us telling us this and they say, hey, I would like to return this bidet seat and get a different one that has a further reach, we say, well, we have bad news for you. There's really not another seat that we would recommend instead, because they all have washes that don't reach real far forward for the front wash. That being said, we have customers using the front wash successfully all the time. The key is to move further back and to position yourself so that that front wash reaches where it needs to wash. So if you reposition yourself further back and make sure that the nozzle is as far forward as possible, that's going to give you your best shot at as good of a front wash as you're able to get. That being said, we also talk to customers who run the rear wash and dab dry in the front as well. So there's no harm done in just running the rear wash if that's the direction that you want to head. In either case, if you run into a situation where you're running a front wash and you don't feel like it's reaching, you are absolutely not alone. We have other customers running into the same issues, and hopefully the tips here in this video help with that. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you are looking to get a bidet, feel free to check out our entire line of products. A link is in the video description. And remember, purchasing from Mini Bidets means that you get lifetime support for the entire duration that you own the product.
MiniBidets.com, where we sell mini bidets, not mini bidets.